Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present a few ways how you can make money with Kraken. Kraken is a good crypto exchange broker. In my opinion, it's much better comparing to Coinbase, and it's really on a similar level as Binance. I really like Kraken with Binance and what they do, and they're like Kraken got better customer support than Binance. That's what I think. So how you can actually make money with Kraken? The first one, and one of the most used one, is that you can join the affiliate program right here. The payout is 20% of trading fees collected from a client's refer to us for a lifetime of the client. So let's say someone would he has to pay no $1 in fees, you would get 20 cents from his transaction. So that's really good, and payouts directly to your bank account instead of exchange account. This is much better because in Binance you got it paid in a crypto they are trading. So like I have plenty of people in affiliate under me in Binance, and it's always paying in crypto. It would be much better if I would get paid in bank account. Now I mean, crypto is fine too, but I have to always check it up, etc. How to actually promote Kraken? So what you can do is actually create YouTube videos, and if you want to focus on creating YouTube videos, what you can do is you will find a link down below in the description that you can get a mini course completely for free. What you should focus on as a YouTuber. That's what you can do. First, create YouTube videos in which you would be creating like Kraken review. And then what I would like focus on are different like crypto brokers like Binance, Coinbase, make tutorials like this guy here, the Money SG, is creating a lot of videos about crypto, so you can make it too. So this is the first way how you can actually make money with Kraken. The second way, what you can do is to actually do the staking, earn rewards by staking coins and fiat. Staking is a great way to maximize your holdings in staking coins and fiat that would be otherwise be sitting in your Kraken account. Once you have staked your assets, you can earn staking rewards on top of your holdings and grow them further by compounding those future rewards. Now, how it works: first you need to get staking assets, buy assets or fund your Kraken account with one of the assets that are eligible for staking below. You just choose from the coins here, and then you earn rewards. So you see the Kusama is 12%, Polkadot 12%, but on-chain Tezos Flow is 9%. So you can click here and just stake, and this is pretty much it how you can do it. So you just like join in. Oh, I need to approve new device, but okay. So I just have to come and refresh it, but this is how you can do it. Yeah, the code still didn't come. So this is the first way. The second way how you can make money is if you would just trade and buy and hold crypto. That's one of the best strategies that you can do, how you can make money on cryptocurrency. I'm not going to talk about to which you should invest and which you should buy. That's completely up to you. But as you can see, like Dogecoin, damn, it rises so quickly. So that's another way how we can do it. My recommendation: don't put all your money into crypto, diversify it. Like this grew really quickly and really pretty. But look on Dogecoin, man. So I mean, these graphs are really interesting because like this should be much huge graph than this, only because like look at how much you would earn. Oh, new advice acquired. Let me show you. Here we go. Now, let's say that you would buy, let me show you. You would buy, oh, you see the graph here, $1,000, and you would buy it at 0.03. You would have 300k of Dogecoin. $1,000, look at this. And you would sell it, I think it was like the peak was 0.40, but I don't know, I wouldn't be able to hold it. Look at this, you would make from 1,000, you would make 100k on Dogecoin. That's crazy. And here is like 6. Yeah, like 6x on Ripple. So what you can do is to actually stake Polkadot, and you need to just like deposit or buy it. I'm using mainly Binance for trading. I don't use Kraken, but I just wanted to make this video how you can actually make money. So this is the actually way what you can do. And now what you can do is just like simply buy some altcoins that use like Sia coin, and then invest into those. But right now what is happening, guys, from my perspective, I don't know when you're watching this video, but this really feels to me like 2017, 2018. I don't know how long you're in crypto. I've been here for like 4 or 5 years right now. And when everyone is talking about crypto, in the moment I'm out. Like I'm selling everything to USDT, to Tether USD, only because I just don't want to, like, I'm going to invest into crypto when it's going to be dead. That's what I'm going to do. Everyone is not going to be like, oh, crypto is dead, no one is using it. In that moment, I'm in. I'm in hard. And I will even diversify my portfolio, that I will take money from stocks and I will invest into crypto. Only because when everyone, right now, everyone is confident. And when everyone is confident, don't be confident. When everyone is fearful, oh my god, it's dropping, oh no, in that moment, I'm in. Like, easy. And that's what I do, and that's how I create and act. So that's what I recommend for you to do too, if you want. But because like right now, I wouldn't just, you can say, okay, it can go even higher to the moon. But, you know, all right, but just like, it's just like too risky. Like even the Sia coin rose pretty quickly. So let's say that I would buy 1,000 euro, $1,000 of zero zero 12. Yeah, let's go like this. And now it's 004. Damn, son. Yeah, I don't know if I did the calculations right, but I think yes. So this is crazy, man. But man, you can still make a lot of money, but when you're gonna invest $1,000 into coin, which was like for nothing for a really long time, and straight away then it like grew hard. A lot of money. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and just be careful right now. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.